Hello, I'm Dr. Padma. Today's topic is loneliness and 8 tips for what to do about it. Man is a social animal. That means being connected with people around is an important part of happy living. In case you do not have enough number of people, or if the connections are not meaningful, then you will feel a negative, painful emotion, and that is called loneliness. This is what we are going to talk about today. I will give you effective tips to get over this issue. It is a common human emotion, and the degree of loneliness felt varies with each individual. Chronic loneliness is a term given for loneliness which is experienced for a very long period of time. It is not a specific mental health condition. It has now become an important public health concern because millions of men and women are affected by it worldwide. A study showed that the age group of 16 to 24 years were feeling more lonely than over 65 years age group. On the bright side, loneliness is treatable. Loneliness versus solitude. Loneliness gives a negative feeling. Solitude gives a positive feeling. Solitude is being alone voluntarily for the purpose of self-realization, reflection, contemplation, meditation, and self-growth and creativity. Causes of loneliness. Situational loneliness due to divorce, death, increased life expectancy especially in females, change of schools, job, work from home, move to a new city, developmental loneliness due to family separation, physical or psychological disability, internal loneliness because of mental illness, people with low self-esteem and self-worth, or living alone for the first time. Warning signs to look for: getting sick frequently, body aches and pains, low energy levels, poor sleep and appetite, feeling anxious and restless, feelings of self-doubt, hopelessness, worthlessness, and unable to focus. Problems of loneliness. It has negative effects on physical and mental health. Increased stress leads to increased risk of cardiovascular disease and stroke. They are more prone for drug and alcohol use, which then leads to antisocial behavior. Memory problems and poor decision making can also occur. There is increased risk of depression, which then leads to social withdrawal behavior and then more likelihood of suicide. What can you do about it? Just a quick reminder of what people already know. Tip 1. Identification and treatment of mental health problems and physical health issues. Tip 2. If you can go out physically, go to pubs, clubs, social gatherings, etc. Tip 3. Regular visits to places of worship like mosque, churches or temple. Tip 4. Tracing the family tree or good old school friends can bring interesting personalities into your life. Tip 5. Developing a hobby and finding people with similar interest. Tip 6. Volunteering for community activities, which is a noble and effective method, and it can be very fulfilling. Tip 7. With current technology, using phone or internet, we can form connection via social media through WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram or Twitter. Tip 8. Joining virtual groups or clubs can be done instantly. Self-help groups and helpline numbers are also available. Take-home message. When you start feeling lonely, it is a sign that something needs to change. We have discussed various ways and means of doing it. Now, what action are you going to take to make you feel connected with the society again? Thanks for watching.